Welcome to It's Fun and Games. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Today's video, we are at a maple syrup farm, and there's new stuff behind us, you can tell. And there's some videos on Daddy's channel and Be Wild Man about this. So we're gonna do one here. So I hope you like it. See all that's all sap in that bucket. They're dumping it into a bigger one.
They're putting it into the container so they're going to put it into that big jug so that they can put it down into the boiler, right?
Yeah, thanks.
So much for a little sec. It's already rolling. Get us both in.
Can you get us both?
All right. So we're here at the Lagacy Sugary. Luke Lagacy is a fourth generation maple syrup producer. And we're on the edge of the beautiful St. John River here in Nakawik, New Brunswick. And Elliot's going to go around and we're going to gather some sap and do some boiling. And yeah.
Look at this can. I don't know if you can see. It's full to the brim.
Look at that.
Sap.
Full right to the top.
If you shake it,
Yeah.
see that? That's sap.
And they
Like
gathered-
it's dripping.
They say they gathered yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, they're getting a lot of sap.
Yeah.
See it dripping off. There's a spile.
Look how fast it's running.
So we just made it, and look, there's lines. Look, that's going through the tubes. Look at it
that.
go.
Isn't that neat? So Peter and Luke have about, well, they've got a few trees done up this year with the lines. This is the first year they've ever done the lines. We're going to gather some in the buckets too.
Yeah.
But look at this one's full. This line is solid full up to the tree here. Right, so instead of it dripping, it just drips down through this line and then goes down the line. Where's the line go? Where does it all end up?
Where does it go? It goes slower down here.
Wow, look at that. That's neat.
It goes forever.
So each tree,
Has sap.
right? But it feeds into this main line. See, this line here is full, right? This one here is full and it feeds into the main line. And the main line keeps, so the, so I can see what they do here, Elliot. Do you notice that the holes in the trees are above, they're higher than the main line, so it's all gravity fed. There's no pump or anything. And what it does, we'll go and take a look in this big container here. So look how full this is. This is all sap that's
kinda
running
like
in on these
greenish.
lines.
That's all sap.
Look at it. Look at how
at it
fast it's
go.
going in. Hold on, let's see if we can see. Take this lid off. Oh yeah, it's just sitting on there. Look at that.
I want to see.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So the lines are all fed into this big square bucket from all those trees. And it's really not that many trees that he has tapped. I mean, he's got, sometimes he's got more than one in each tree, but he's got 3 main lines coming down from where they're going to gather up there. We're going to go help them gather just in a second.
Yeah.
But look at this, Elliot. Like it just
Just goes.
Yeah, just continues to go in there. This bucket's going to be super full. All right, let's head up and gather some with the buckets, buddy.
Yeah.
You got about 70?
I think 70 into that, yeah, probably.
And how long did it take you to fill that big square bucket?
I think that one there, we'd have been a week and a half, I think, at that
Week
one.
and a half, with 70 taps.
Yeah.
It flows pretty steady, eh?
Yeah, it does.
Whoa.
It's our first kick at the can with that, so anyway, no, it's flowing pretty good. So
Do you like that better?
it's a lot easier than lugging buckets.
You think you're getting the same amount of sap though with the trees?
I think we're a little bit less this year because I think we have to run a main line, so we're just kind of figuring it out.
Right.
But I may have too many taps on a 3/16 line.
Okay.
So
So you think if you ran a bigger main line and some smaller lines into
Yeah.
it, you'd pull some more?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay.
But we like the vacuum effect. We can see it running even after hours. You know, things are starting to freeze up, but it's still pulling sap.
Still
so,
pulling sap. Yeah.
it's neat.
Nice. That's a neat way to go. How many buckets you running?
400.
And you wonder why you got some sap to boil. Okay. All right.
Just a hobby, right?
Just a hobby. Yeah. That's the worst thing about hobbies is soon they become work.
It's frozen.
It's frozen. It is. Yes, it is. That's the water in the sap. All right. Do you know what to do? You do. You do know what to do. Okay, nice and careful because these ones are plastic. They have little hooks on them.
I'll help you get it off and then you can dump it, okay?
Oh, whack. Pretty sure you got splashed right there, buddy.
Yeah. And now it's gonna start over again.
Now it's gonna keep. Look at how fast it's dripping. I'm amazed by that. Like this.
Yeah.
This is just one. Just drip, drip, drip. Just
Another
constant.
one.
Just constant.
Uh-oh. Look.
Look at that one. That's funny.
Gotta take it off.
Got it?
Yeah.
All right. Only have 398 more to go.
Yeah.
Make sure you put the lids back on.
Got a bucket.
Throw the ice out, Pete.
No, just getting the moss out of it.
Okay. You don't want to boil the dirt.
Oh, well, we do.
Is that protein or flavor or something?
Something. Try to pick out some. But we get this thing funnel here. There's a screen in it, so that helps.
Right. We'll see anyway. So typically, I don't think I've ever gathered with you when it was frozen.
No.
Is that just
Nice.
because the cold weather last night and the
Yeah.
water content in the sap freezes?
Yeah, that it does. Just makes life interesting.
Well, it slows down this process.
It does, yeah. But that's all right.
You'll end up with just a few buckets full of ice and then
Yeah.
take them back and
Take them back and then
pop them in the. They're okay to go right in the evaporator,
throw
really.
them right in the back pan, yeah.
Just makes this process a little slower.
Yeah.
So you're running 400 buckets and about 70 on the line.
Yeah, and then we got another 30 on the line over there too. So
You
we
got
a
two
couple,
lines?
Yeah, we got a couple different pipelines.
Oh,
going.
down where the old one was. Down that way, okay.
There's one over there, so
Nice.
we'll have more pipe next year.
Yeah.
Guaranteed.
Less picking up and more pipe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is there, I assume you have to be like on a downhill to pipe? Just as
Yeah.
long as you're...
You could run a vacuum if you want to put a vacuum system on it,
Right.
run it, but we're just going to do gravity fed, so
Yeah.
we don't need to get that high tech.
Pretty soon to turn it into a job.
Well, it's pretty close now. Just I know it's a big difference with Luke just being away this year, right? So
Right.
he's living in Fredericton and just making it fun.
Thank you.
Got it?
Whoa. There.
Good job.
Done.
That one's been done.
What have you done, Mama?
All those ones are done. We get across.
Maybe Dad can show you a good way to go.
Did that very first one over there get done? Yeah, must have. Okay, Elliot, let's go this way, bud. Do you want me to take the bucket or you got it?
Got it.
Okay. Right this way. This way over here.
You take the bucket.
Yep, got it. Be careful.
I'll take it now.
Ooh, that's a heavy one. Ready?
There's bugs inside.
Yep, that's okay. You filter them out.
Whoa. Oh, you bring the bucket.
That's okay. We can fill Mama's bucket.
Learn another trade. Got it? There's one over here. It's just drip, 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 drip. It looks like a tap.
Look how fast that goes.
Drip, drip, drip.